The purpose of this video is to show you how to organize your class assignments and consolidate them into a single sheet that can be used to help organize your study habits and stay on top of deadlines throughout the school year. It's helpful to have all of your information in one place so you can easily see what is coming up for the weeks ahead, and it helps you organize your study time. When you sit down to do homework, you'll have a complete list of your assignments that will direct you to exactly what you should be working on. To make the spreadsheet, you'll need your class syllabi or calendars, whatever was provided for your class, and some kind of spreadsheet making software. For the purposes of this video, I'll be using Microsoft Excel, but you can use whatever you're comfortable with. Begin by opening up a blank document and labeling the top of each column. I'm using the labels due date, assignment title, class, and points. Leave a blank column in between each title to space out your information more. This will make the document easier to read once it's filled up with assignments. A note on this, I'm using the points column, that way I can keep track of what I earned on each assignment. However, if your syllabus doesn't have the individual point breakdowns listed for each assignment, or if you prefer to keep track of your grades a different way, this column isn't necessary. Feel free to add or change columns as you need. Next, change the width of the columns. Sections like points and due date won't require as much space, so use this opportunity to make the class and assignment title columns wider. You can always go back and readjust the columns if you need more room later, but this is a good place to start. At this point, the spreadsheet is ready for assignments. Pick your first syllabus and start entering assignments by line. It doesn't matter what order they go in, as long as the line information is correct for each assignment, because we will organize them by date after every class's assignments are on the spreadsheet. Continue entering assignments until the syllabus is complete, and then enter the rest of your syllabi and dates. If you need to adjust the size of any columns, do it now that all of the assignments are on the spreadsheet so that you can see where the lines should be drawn. One of the things I like to do on my sheet is to color code my classes, so that when all of the dates are mixed together, I can see what assignment is for what class. If you want to color code yours, select each class individually and change the color of the text for each one. If you can't print in color or don't want to change the text color on the computer, you can also use highlighters after printing the spreadsheet. Now we're going to sort the assignments by date. Select all of the assignments and lines of the document except for the headings. Click the Sort button under the Data tab. For the first option, we're going to sort by column A, since that's the column with the due dates. Select Sort on Values and Oldest to Newest, and then click OK. You can leave the spreadsheet like this if you'd like, but it can also be helpful to separate the list of assignments into month-by-month sections to make it a little easier to read and see what you should immediately work on. To do this, create a blank row when the date changes to a different month and enter the month's name into your newly created space. I'm going to leave this one with month-by-month divisions, but you can also repeat this process to separate your work into weeks or even days. Again, this depends on your personal preference and what your study habits are like. Your spreadsheet is now complete. Save the document and print it out. This is the point where you would highlight assignments if you so choose to. The most important thing in making this spreadsheet is that it's for your own organization and help, so customize it how you want to and use what works best for you. Some variations or ideas are inserting rows for total points monthly or yearly, inserting extra rows in each month to write in any extra assignments that may be added throughout the semester, and things like that. Customize your sheet in the way that's most effective for you. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this was helpful in showing you a method for organizing your assignments and keeping track of all the information for different classes. Good luck studying.